Hi everyone, here's how you can create a scan linked to a watch list so that all you have to do is open up the list to see the latest results. So I've run this 52-week high-low scan here. I've got 19 results. I'm going to click on Export Results, Open Results as Open Watch List. And that's going to add those 19. And you can see if I drag that out, it says at the top there, 52-week closing high lows. That's the name of the scan that it's linked to. So I can add columns to here, format them, put a chart on the right-hand side, and save that as a workbook. And then every time I open that workbook, so here's an example I've called high low, it's running that scan and repopulating. So I've got it grouped as well by positive, negative for the closing highs and lows. So there's 16 52-week closing highs and 3 new lows. So I just open this workbook every day and it automatically updates the lists with all that information. Hope that's been helpful. Any questions, please let us know.